had to put the clock down. Did you just take the old one? Yes, and why? Because we're about to get a new one. But a new clock? We need a new clock because this one is broken. I mean, look at that. There's not a snooze button. And where did that go? Oh, I don't know. The trash. What if I fix it? If you could fix it, then I could return that clock back. It's not about be Rocky. It's not about be Rocky for the day. What am I getting myself into? I mean, I don't know how to fix the snooze button. Marshall, stop it. Stop actually breaking the old alarm clock. Sorry, jeez. Just like my mom. You notice that you sound like Muscle Man. But anyways, how can I actually fix that? I mean, how would I? The snooze button is lost. Well, we can always make a new one. Yeah, very funny. I now actually got the tools to fix this, honestly. And let me check. Okay, let's see what we got here. What are you doing? Well, I'm actually checking inside the alarm clock. Let's see. Look at this one. This one's just like even worse. I mean, all the stuff is actually gone bad, and the wires are actually dead by now. No, the wires are actually working because usually I'm thinking it's this snooze button that's not working. Marshall, I think I got this idea. What? I'm thinking we should actually put what's inside, what's on there, to see if it actually works. We don't actually have to pause it to do it. So yeah, obviously. What are you doing with that? Done. Look at that. So let's just actually plug in. Okay. Is it honestly gonna work? Well, I don't actually know. What are you doing with that light? Over our alarm clock? Yeah, we're actually fixing it because Zuma actually told us if you can actually fix it, then yeah, we can actually take the new alarm clock. Why didn't we replace it? I just want to find out the old alarm clock because this brings back many memories. After I actually became your servant. Yeah, those were terrible memories. I'm thinking that the alarm clock might go off now by the time. Wait. I slept overnight and it still isn't working. Fine. I am so sorry. The alarm clock going off. Marshall, stop. Now stop. You can make it worse. Oh my god. I mean, I don't know how did that not work. I mean, is it on? Yeah, it is on for it. Because usually it was supposed to go off by 6, but no, it's supposed to stay off. Oh my god. How can we do this? Well, maybe we need new batteries to fill out. Well, then go get. Okay, I'll be back in a flash. I actually found the best selling batteries that everyone would actually know. Are there still 4 of them? Well, we still got 2 of them. So how long do we have that? Hold on, if I can get this out of the box. Jeez, finally. What? So funny part about this. What? You notice how alarm clocks always take small batteries? Well, this alarm clock doesn't actually take out batteries for a reason. Which also was a bit ridiculous because obviously that was costed. What the? It was that obviously can actually go on with a big bang. Oh, obviously, when was the last time that we had the battery? Well, obviously. Oh, when is it going on? Now listen, if you do this one last time, I swear, I'm gonna throw you down the stairs so hard that you'll be inside of a concussion. Now stop. For the last time, you can make it worse. So, honestly, what can we actually do now? Well, I think I already know how can we actually do it. Follow me. Buenos. Whatever. Guys, I have actually found a reason that we can actually fix this alarm clock. It's not going to be anything cool like finding a battery or actually fixing a snooze button without battery. Nope. We have actually noticed something because from a long time ago, you remember this tree, right? Because usually this tree from a long time ago, from when Rexy was here, now he's not. And also, this will actually help this criticism. And that's actually breaking the fourth wall.
Hello.
Oh, that tree. I thought he was dead. Nah, I heard that he's still alive to this day. Now, I'm gonna actually get this for a reason. Oh, big tree. Is there anything that we could do to help for this? Well, I'm not actually a technologist. I know everything, but obviously I don't know how to fix this clock. Wait, so you can't do anything about it? No, I only learned about nature stuff. What do you think I am for? Wait, didn't know tablets? That's because I learned tablets very well. Get this back. So, there's nothing I could do, guys. So that means nothing? Nope. Marshall, where are you going? Marshall, what are you doing? No. You actually want this. He actually asked for it. I wonder what "oh woo" means. Ow! What is that? No, stay on it. Ow. Ow! Can't deal with this. Marshall, what are you doing? Something that I should have done a long time ago. You wanna go? Huh? Oh, with that you're reflecting. Come on, pull up your dukes. Oh no. You did this. You knew just because that you put a lot of torture around me. Like what? Well, you threw a hand sanitizer at me. What? That was a long time ago. If you check that outside, that doesn't matter. Oh wait, now that you want to get a new alarm clock, it's to fight me. Oh, I'm thinking the same way as you thought. Put up your dukes. Marshall, are you gonna be okay? Don't worry, Chase. I actually learned my time at the past when I was doing Street Fighter. Come on, put up your... No chance. Not cool. Not cool. Oh! Get over here. You wanna put up your dukes? Wait a... open. You wouldn't be able to stop me. Any chance that you got me. Hello? Let's get this guy taken down. Oh no. Oh my god. No. What the? I've been hurt a lot. Not cool. Not cool at all. Give me one reason why I should have hurt you a long time ago. Alright. Well, what else can I do? You forgot about me. Are you okay, Chase? What happened? Chase was blind. What? Hola, Sodora! The one thing that I can actually do. Whatever. You're not gonna destroy me. Well, I'm not. Well, that takes care of it. Are you feeling better yet, Chase? Well, the doctors say it could actually heal about only three half a months. Well, that'll sure be fine. But how can we actually tell time? Yeah, how can we actually tell time? How about I put you in the same condition I'm into? Hey guys, I actually bought myself a new alarm clock because our old one was down, so we actually got this one. You bought an alarm clock? Yes. How much money does it cost? Maybe about $11. $11? And how long did it take you to get there? Since this morning. Great. Now I'm inside of this condition, and I didn't actually know? Yeah. I told you that he was gonna get a new alarm clock. I can't wait to open this baby out. Can't wait to open this. Let's check this baby out. Oh my god. This is a new alarm clock. You okay, Chase? Whoever it got there, they actually got it. And finally we get to get new time again. I wonder what Chase is doing to Marshall right now.